This is just a sweet little mini view from my office that felt kind of like a video postcard, and this is from my pen pal, Kalina, but it's also for all of you. Thankfully, winter isn't always dreary and gray. We've been having a lot of sunny winter days lately. My favorite part about these days are the rainbows that get caught in my window crystal. They remind me of my Grandma Mary from the farm. This isn't her crystal rainbow prism. I have it in another spot waiting for a jump ring so it can get hung up. Zoya loves chasing the rainbows the most, and Elena doesn't really seem to care. On another note, I haven't gotten very far in our journal, but it's on my mind on sunny days just like today. Also, I have a ton of plants that I'm trying to learn about and keep alive. I have a hanging plant propagation station and a baby succulent nursery. I just bought a bunch of plant food last night for them, and I have new watering stakes coming tomorrow, so I'm very excited about that. Also, these little stamps, have you seen these? Did you have these in the 90s? I rehydrated mine, and I can't wait to actually use them in my bullet journal. They're Crayola, but they're making me think of Lisa Frank because of the 90s. Which is making me think of you. I'm so tempted to just buy Lisa Frank stationery just to write to you. Nil and I have been missing you two a lot. We think about you often and have been wondering how the house renovations have been going, so let me know how that has been going. I will get back into our journal and read it and send it to you and send it back to you with my notes in it. But for now, I just wanted to leave you this little video postcard. Love, Jenny.